Hi guys, just a quick tutorial how to change chords easily. So often beginner make a chord change like this. As example, from C major to A minor. You see? It's too long and too difficult. So in this example with this trick, you only have to move one finger to change from C major to A minor. So I give you the introduction. The ring finger is the only finger who changes. It goes from the A string 3rd fret to the G string 2nd fret. And your index finger and also your middle finger stay at the same place. The index finger B string 1st fret and the middle finger D string 2nd fret. So the ring finger turns from A string 3rd fret to G 2nd fret. You see? It's so easy. And if you try it a few days, you will see that the chord change from C to A will be so easy and fast. Not like this. Stay index and middle finger at their places. Second, E minor to A minor. So, if you change these two chords, leave the middle finger at the D string 2nd fret and your index finger turns from A string to B string 1st fret and the ring finger goes under the middle finger. So, middle finger stays also easy. And then you have your A minor chord, and it's so easy from A minor then to change to C major. Only take your ring finger from G string 2nd fret to A string 3rd fret.